So you know, if you click that bell, you get notified whenever I post a video or go live on a live stream. Well, some of you that had that clicked might have noticed that I tried to go live using the GoPro with the max lens mod. And well, hey everybody, to the stream. We'll keep going a little. The GoPro is so irritating to go live from. Sometimes it works so easy, and then other times it just doesn't. By the way, I'm on a little bit of a holiday right now, so there's gonna be noises, but hold on. Okay, so we're gonna take you on a ride. I don't know what's gonna happen. If it cuts out, it cuts out. Okay, so the latest firmware for the GoPro boasted that you can go live using the max lens mod and having that software work, you know, making it so that it stays smooth and horizon leveling and all that cool stuff. And yeah, it does work. It actually does work. How stable is that? I can't wait to look back at the footage. So when you do go live from the GoPro, you're actually connecting to the phone app, which then uses either the data of the phone or connects to another Wi-Fi source. I went live from the GoPro Hero 9 3 months ago, and it actually looked pretty good, and it stayed on the whole time. It didn't have any connection errors. It just kind of when I lost signal at one point, but it didn't just disconnect. However, I was using like a little Wi-Fi cellular box, but I don't think that really makes a difference. Whew. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you being here. Now, if you do want to go live through your GoPro, I will link a video up here where I explain the whole process. So when the moment came when I was supposed to go live, it seemed like it was good. I went live, it said it was live on the GoPro. I've actually tried this a couple times, but have some difficulty. I'm worried that it might cut off. People were telling me that the picture was a bit fuzzy. Some said it was great, some said it was fuzzy. So maybe it was on their end, maybe it was on my end. Using the Media Mod mic, the audio sounded okay, but it sounded great when I actually connected to the Rode Wireless Go. All right, so it might look a little bit better over here. Let me know if you can hear me through the microphone here. Get it all attached. That should be the best. And the max lens part of it looked awesome. But this is what it's like streaming directly from the GoPro using the max lens mod. Oh, and by the way, one of the things I was trying to show on that was this cool Ulanzi accessory that's like a magnet built on. So you just like literally lift it off and then you can put it on. Boom. That way, if you're on the go and then you want to switch it over to something else, you just pop it off. That's pretty cool. I'll do a bigger review on that on the next video. I don't know why I'm showing you this. You can't see this. So the stream actually only lasted for 10 minutes until I completely lost connection. By the way, within those 10 minutes, thanks to the people that gave me a super chat, which was Mystery Exchange and Ben Wilson. Thanks for that. Hey, thanks Ben Wilson. Appreciate that. Super sticker. What's the max bit rate for the Hero 9? I actually then tried to connect it again, just going through all the steps that I did before, and it was not working. It would not connect via the phone app. It was not connecting to anything, just saying that there was no Wi-Fi sources around and would not work. I even tried to turn it off and on again.
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
So I'm here today to tell you a few things. If you want to go live from your GoPro, make sure you check the video out that I did showing the step-by-step on how to do it. If you want to go live from your GoPro, make sure you give yourself a bunch of test tries with an unlisted stream, just making sure that it works and it's easy and you got the steps down. If you want to go live from your GoPro, make sure you give yourself 15 to 20 minutes before you go live to make sure you're connected up, because if you wait 5 minutes before, I guarantee you something's gonna happen and it's not gonna work, and it's very frustrating. And finally, if you wanna go live from your GoPro, well, I'm not quite sure that they're there yet with this. It's pretty cool, there's novelty to it because you can use hypersmooth and you can have different mics with your media mod and the lens mod, but the connection between the GoPro and the phone is just not quite the best. Now, if there's a faster connection between the GoPro and the phone, that would be awesome. I would like to see, like in the future, like an iPad, they have like the data version as well as just the regular iPad. That'd be cool if you can have like a SIM card installed on one of these things if you go live a lot. I left the video live, you can go check it out because this is exactly what it was. It was a test and to show you what it's like to go live from the GoPro using the max lens mod, and we did it. And thanks to the people that left nice comments saying, hey, thanks for making this video and just showing us the raw exactly what it's like, because man, it was a lot more frustrating than you think to get that thing done. That's all I have for this. If you are experiencing frustration going live from your GoPro, I'm just here to tell you that you're not alone. It does happen. There's probably workarounds, but just keep trying and you'll get it. All right, so I'm gonna actually end this with the footage of the rest of that ride using the max lens mod that you didn't get to see on the live stream, and enjoy. Sit back, relax, and I'll see you guys on the next one.